Good morning from Thailand, from Phuket. As you can see, the weather is magic. It's pissing down rain, but it's around about 28 degrees. Okay, today is the 7th of the 7th, first day in Thailand. We're just going to be taking it reasonably easy today because of yesterday's 20-hour transit just to get here. Yeah, we're going to check out a few things. We need to get currency, SIM cards, and most likely try and book the Koh Samui bus trip as well. But yeah, we're just going to be kicking back and taking it nice and easy today. Okay, that's our nearest 7-Eleven, and that's the accommodation that we're staying in tonight. $25 a night. They'll love that. Okay, got a bit of a feast going on here. Nan.
กุ้งผัดผงกะหรี่
Okay, this one.
แกงจืดเต้าหู้
This one.
ผัดผักบุ้ง
And the other name for it.
morning glory morning glory
This one.
พะแนงหมู
And
หมึกนึ่งมะนาว
Mung
หมึกนึ่ง
Muk Ning
มะนาว
Manao.
yeah
Manao means cold.
no มะนาว means lemon lime
Okay.
มะนาว is lime
Oh, there you go. And we've only got one more dish to come, have we?
the other one
Yeah.
is minced pork omelette
Lovely. Okay, let's enjoy.
for you
So today we're leaving the island of Phuket on a bus to Koh Samui. We also have a ferry crossing, which is another island which is in the Gulf of Thailand. So yeah, hopefully we'll have a bit better luck with the weather regarding it not raining so much. The temperature's perfect. It's like 28 degrees every day here, but we've had a fair bit of rain in Phuket. So even though we've only been there for one day, still enjoying it, loving it. Okay, follow us on our adventures. Okay, Leo time to relax by the pool. Jen's got her kamikaze, white kamikaze. Nan's got a white kamikaze, mango juice, and the swimming pool with the bar over there and the girl with the chicken. Excellent. Okay, so I'm having pad thai chicken, something nice and easy to eat. And we've ordered another one of the raw prawns with a chili sauce. Sometimes has disappeared. Nan, what have you got?
Pad Thai Moo.
Pad Thai Moo.
Yeah.
Ben's got the green curry and rice. I reckon that'll be spicy. No? Okay, Nan, what do you think? The food? 100%. Ben, you enjoyed yours? And Tin?
Really good.
Very, very good, huh?
Yeah.
Highly recommended. As you can see, we've polished everything off. There's only one left over. Who's going to do that one?